Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to create multiple output files from a single input file using sort program. Ideally can you create more than 100 output files. The limit is huge. Here we are seeing an items file with multiple brands. Let's first create two output files out of this single input file. One with Sony, one without Sony. For creating multiple output files you have to use OUTFIL files parameter. Along with OUTFIL files, you can use either include or omit and outrec. So either you can use include or omit and or outrec. So these can be used along with OUTFIL files parameter. Remember, OUTFIL files parameter will be the last parameter to be executed. You can give other parameters like skip break, stop after, include condition. Include condition is different from this include. Okay, this include is different from include count or omit count. Okay, so output files with parameter will be the last parameter to be executed after skip rec, stop after, include condition, indirect fields, sort fields, sum fields. So output files parameter is used for creating multiple output files. You can see the JCL here. In this JCL, we are using one input file and creating two output files, one with Sony, one without Sony. Since your condition, I have given an include condition. Here include is optional. If you don't give include, it is going to create the exact copy of the input file. When you are creating multiple output files, the DD name of the output file will change. You have to write the prefix sort of as a prefix, and this is suffix. This suffix can be anything, but whatever you are giving here should be given here. Okay, whatever we are giving here should be given here. The one I have used is a standard used in most of the companies. There are other ways to write also, but remember, whatever you are giving as a suffix to sort of prefix should be given here in the OUTFIL files parameter. If you want, you can sequence the data, but here I am not sequencing the data. I am just giving copy. I have given OUTFIL files equal to 01 comma include equal to 3310 ch equal to Sony. So this is a condition, starting portion length type equal to Sony. So what does it mean? So create this file sort of 01 and include only these records. Remember, include count is different from this include. Even in this JCL, you can use include condition separately, but this include condition will work before sort fields. This include condition will be executed first, followed by sort fields, then this OUTFIL files along with this include. This include is different from include count parameter. You have to remember that. And even in this sort program, you can give include count. If you give include count, that will execute first, followed by sort fields, and finally for this OUTFIL files, this include will get executed, and for this OUTFIL files, this include gets executed. If you give sort of A here, B here, you have to write sort of A and B. So whatever suffix you are writing for sort of should be given here. So let me write 01, that's a standard, 02. So it's going to be 01 here and 02 here. So along with OUTFIL files parameter, you can use sub parameters like either include or omit or outrec. So include or omit is to filter the records that is going to get into this file, and outrec is to filter the columns. Whatever columns you want for this file, you can use outrec, comma outrec. And that outrec is different from a traditional outrec fields parameter. First let's create two output files from this input file. I'm going to submit this. Max is equal to 0. Here we are splitting an input file into two output files, one with Sony and one without Sony. So you can see here, so only Sony records are here, and this one other than Sony. Suppose I want to create one with Sony, one with Canon, one with SanDisk. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create three output files, one with Sony, one with Canon, and one with SanDisk. I'm going to use sort of 03 SanDisk, comma. So try to name the file meaningfully. Sort of 03, comma, include, I'll give equal to Sony, Canon and SanDisk. So here in this JCL we are creating 3 output files. Remember, whatever you are giving here should be given here. So whatever suffix you are giving in sort of parameter, you have to give there. So I'm going to delete this file because this file is just created. Okay, I'm going to delete here. So it got deleted. I'm going to submit this. Max is 0. So it has created 3 output files, one with Sony, one with Canon and one with SanDisk. So you can give multiple include condition by giving ampersand and or parameter. So SanDisk records came into this file. Similarly, you can create any number of output files. You can give multiple conditions by giving ampersand or parameter. Remember, this include is different from include counter. There are other ways to do this also. You can give your own DD names. For example, you can give Sony here. Sony is the DD name. You can give Canon here. You can give SanDisk here. Okay, so since the DD names of the output files are changed, you have to use some other parameter. You're not supposed to use output files. Instead, you have to use OUTFIL FNAMES. OUTFIL FNAMES equal to Sony. Similarly, OUTFIL FNAMES equal to Canon. So in fact, this is more meaningful. In some companies, they follow this standard. FNAMES equal to SanDisk. So you can override the traditional DD names of sort of 01, 02, etc. with your own DD names. Okay, I'm going to give share because the file is already there. Okay, let me delete the files. I'm going to delete the file. SanDisk is deleted. Sony is deleted. Canon is also deleted. Now, instead of using sort of 01, 02, 03, we have given our own DD names. So whatever DD names you are giving here, you have to give under OUTFIL FNAMES parameter. So now we are not using files, you are using FNAMES. You can submit this. Max is 0. So this is another way to create multiple output files. If you are creating multiple output files, you have to use OUTFIL files or OUTFIL FNAMES parameter. And apart from that, you can use subparameters like include or omit or outrec. Include or omit is used to filter the records, whatever you want to get into this file. And outrec is to filter the columns. In another video, I will show you how to filter the columns that will get into this file. As far as this JCL is concerned, it has all the columns. Only the records are filtered row wise. For example, if you see this file, any file, here you are having all the columns. You are having item number, description, your brand name, unit quantity and unit price. We are not filtering any columns. If you want to filter the columns, you can give outrec here. Outrec equal to say 1, 5. Only the item number, you give 80:x. So in this file, we are having only Sony products and we are copying only first 5 records. Probably we'll execute this and show. Before that, I will delete these files again. I'll give TSO del. So even for this, I have to give one TSO del. And we have to delete SanDisk file also. So here in this JCL, we are combining include and outrec. Include will filter the records row wise, and outrec will select the columns or fields you want. I have selected only 1, 5, which is the item number. For these two, I haven't given outrec, so all the records will be there, all the columns will be there. Here only item number will be there. So let's submit this. Max is 0, F9. So in Canon or SanDisk, we'll be having all the columns from item number till the unit price. But in Sony, since we have selected only the item number, we'll have only one column, which is item number. Remain is blank. So if you want to select columns, you have to give outrec, and if you want to select rows, you have to use either include or omit, along with outfill files or outfill FNAMES. So this is how you have to use outfill files or FNAMES to create multiple output files. Hope you understood how to use this. Thanks for watching this video.